Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday number 74. What is awareness? Question. I have heard that meditation is attending an object, but I have also heard that it is the practice of awareness. How do you understand meditation? Okay, that's my topic. I think I could try to answer that. Okay, let's start with the object. Something happens when you focus on your chosen object of meditation. What happens is the object starts to change. It starts to morph. You start off with the physical object or a subtle object, whatever it is. It could be breath, it could be mantra, it could be sensation, it could be a visualization of some sort, it could be sensing something in your body, it could be anything. But the purpose of meditation is that when you stay with an object long enough, it starts to change. And then with your curiosity and your inquiry, you want to study that constant changing object until you start to dissolve along with the object. The object starts to dissolve, and you are penetrating with your inquiry, with your incredible focusing ability. You are beginning to see the essence of the object. As this starts to happen, you are also getting more subtle in your ability to perceive the details as you're perceiving the changes occur. If you stay with it long enough, you need to stay with it long enough to be able to see the changes occur. The question you would need to ask next is, once the object dissolves, you want to ask, who's the one who's aware as you are observing the object in its changingness? You may also want to become aware, or you may also want to be asking the question, what is this awareness that is in the form of attention? Because at first you're attending the object, but something happens when you attend the object long enough. As I said, it starts to change and you start to see its essence, which is dissolution, really. But what's the awareness? Who's using the awareness? And what's the awareness? You may find, now if you are to penetrate this long enough, you may find that you are the awareness. And you're the one that is aware. But I'm not telling you that. That's for you to have a direct experience of. And that's why we meditate, because it's a constant intention to know the essence of that which you are attending And if awareness is your new object, let's say you moved from breath, and then you ask the question, who's breathing? And then you ask the question, who's aware of breath? Then you ask the question, who's aware? Then you ask the question, what is awareness? It will probably take you back to your essence, which is what meditation is all about. So we're not to just stop at the object. We are to keep penetrating, going deeper, asking deeper questions, and being fascinated, very curious, with an intense desire to know. And what do you want to know? Do you want to know who you are? Do you want to know what you are? Do you want to know the essence? Well, this is how you do it. You start off with a very, how do I say, an object that will take you to your source. So like breath, mantra, something that has life in it, has sentience in it, and then you follow it all the way back with an intense desire to know the truth behind it. And why do you want to do this? Because otherwise you're settling for less. And that's for you to know and for you to find out. So I suggest you try it. So then what you do is once you get into your meditation, you say, okay, I'm going to attend an object. And then you ask yourself the question as you start to attend the object, who's aware of this object? Now your object is not the form external to you. Now your object is yourself who's aware, and you don't even talk about the object. And then you ask yourself, like as you're penetrating awareness and who's aware, like the one who's aware, as you penetrate that in your intense desire to know, you want to merge, then you study the awareness. Study how it is. Study how it functions. And when you find out, let me know. Okay. See you next Wisdom Wednesday. Bye.